In this video, we'll show you how to change the AC compressor stretch belt on your Chevy Silverado. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to replace the Chevy Silverado car battery. Remove the engine cover. Pull on it to unclip it. Remove the air hose by pulling on it. Using a flathead screwdriver, loosen the holding clips for the air intake duct on the airbox. Then remove the hose. To be able to remove the AC belt, first remove the serpentine belt. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. We recommend taking a picture or to draw the path of the belt around the different pulleys in order to position it correctly later. Using a ratchet and a 15mm socket, loosen the belt by turning the serpentine belt tensioner clockwise. You can now remove the belt. To remove the AC compressor belt, you'll need to pry it off using a belt removal and installation tool. You can also use a screwdriver to help you. Place the tool under the belt. Using a ratchet and a 24mm socket, or the tool used in the video, turn the AC belt pulley clockwise only. This will release the belt from its slot. You can order the parts used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new AC compressor belt. Pay careful attention to which way up you use it. The writing on the belt must turn clockwise. Slide the new belt around the different elements, respecting the layout from the initial assembly. Here's an alternative method that will make this step easier if you don't have the specific tool. Take a zip tie and attach it to the AC belt, looping the zip tie around the belt. Then, turn the crank pulley clockwise, pulling the zip tie towards you to extract the belt from its slot. Check that the belt is properly positioned in the pulleys. You can now cut the zip tie with wire cutters. You can now put the serpentine belt back in place. Slide the new belt around the different elements, respecting the layout from the initial assembly. To fully put it back in place, lift the serpentine belt tensioner in order to wind the serpentine belt onto all of the pulleys. Then release the belt tensioner to fully extend the belt. Replace the air intake duct. Then screw the hose clamps back on. Reconnect the hose. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.